Hello there, welcome back to my creative cooking channel, Grace Signature. I am Grace Annabelle. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my spinach stew recipe. Look at this stew. It is flavorsome. It is flavor packed. It is tasty. It is amazing. It tastes great. It tastes divine. Let's talk through the ingredients and get started. I'm using one smoked mackerel, so I bought the fresh one and then I smoked that myself. Okay, I'm using 4 fresh eggs, 2 habanero peppers, and 2 red chillies. These ones are not hot, okay? They're not hot, so don't be scared. A paste of salted fish or salted tilapia, which is commonly known in Ghana as Koobi. 3 tablespoons of shrimp powder. I am not using any Maggi tablets. Okay, so the shrimp powder will be my seasoning. It's a healthy option. Half a thumb size of ginger, 2 large onions, and 5 fresh tomatoes. So if you don't want to use the fresh tomatoes, you can use the chopped ones, okay, the 10 one. And I'm using 450 grams of spinach. This is unwashed, so you have to wash it. What I usually do is I wash this twice with salt and then rinse it again with one more time, making it 3 times. Okay, and I am using extra olive virgin oil. Use any oil that you have available. And now I've prepped all my ingredients, so here they are. At this point my pot is on there. I'm adding in some oil. Next I'll add in my Koobi, which is the salted tilapia, and then next my onions, my sliced onions. Okay, so I'll allow this to fry in the oil for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then add in my ginger, my chopped chilies. What I did was I grated the ginger. Okay, I didn't blend it, I grated it because I want it a bit rough. I didn't want it smooth. And the peppers too, I chopped that. All right, so yeah, I'll give this a good stir. Leave this for about 2 minutes and then add in my chopped tomatoes. Okay, so I'll give this a good stir, cover this, and allow this to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so at this point, I'll go ahead and add in my tomato puree or tomato paste. Give this a good stir, cover it, and allow it to simmer for 10 more minutes. Okay, so at this point, it's time to add in our shrimp powder. Alright, so that's my shrimp powder in there. I am not using any seasoning for this recipe, like I said earlier. I'm not adding any Maggi cube, any vegetable seasoning. No, it's all natural ingredients. Okay, so after giving it a good stir, I cover that. At this point, I'm going to add in my eggs. Cover it, and this time on a low heat. And now giving it a good stir. So look at that, look at how beautiful it is. All right, so guys, it's time to add in our spinach. And do you know what? I'm not going to leave the spinach to cook for a very long time, because spinach are very soft and they do not take long to cook. I don't want to overcook that, okay? So I've added part of it to my stew. I gave it a good stir. I've added the rest, give it a good stir, and then cover it. Leave this on a low heat to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. It's not going to be more than 3 minutes. All right, guys, so here you are. My stew is done. So at this point, I'm adding in my smoked mackerel and give this a good stir. Alright, so all I'm doing now is to infuse the flavor in my stew into the fish, and that in the fish into the stew. So at this point, my spinach stew is done. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Looks so beautiful. The shrimp powder added to this stew has taken the flavor and the aroma in the stew to another level. Try Joseon shrimp powder as your seasoning and see the difference that it will make, or it will add to your stew. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time stopping by, a very warm welcome to Grace Signature. To my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell, share my videos, like, and also comment. I will see you again in my next one. Bye bye.